Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to change or unlink your TikTok number. This is a simple fix, so watch until the end. The first and obvious step is opening TikTok. Go to your profile and then tap on the three lines. This is where your settings are. Go find account. In here, find account information or user information and then phone number. As you can see, I don't have a phone number yet, but if you have a phone number and if you tap on unlink, it will send a code to your number. But if you don't have the number, then all you have to do is change the number. So tap on change, it will ask for either your number, email, or password. The easiest one is password, so just tap on that. Once you set the password, you can now add a number. And if you have added a new number, but you still want to unlink it, just tap on unlink and it will send the new number a code, which you can then type and then unlink the number. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.